I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the sticker itself. Earn it as a quest or event reward, or buy it in the shop. Once you have it, make sure it lands in backpack items. This is crucial because only inventory stickers can be attached. If the sticker is bound to your account, you cannot trade it, so plan which character uses it. Once done, move immediately to the sticker management UI to attach it. Don't skip confirming the item is present. You open Backpack and switch to the Stickers tab to access sticker slots. Select the sticker you want, press Attach, and a quick menu appears showing available visual slots. Pick back, helmet, or badge as supported. The game restricts one sticker per slot, so if a slot is occupied, choose Replace or move the current sticker first. Once you attach, check the preview to confirm orientation and layering. This step ensures the sticker displays properly in-game and on replays. You finish by validating the sticker visually in-game. Visit a safe area, open your character preview, and confirm the sticker is visible. To remove it later, go to Backpack Stickers and detach or replace with another sticker. If the sticker fails to show, first relog and clear temporary cache. Make sure the sticker isn't marked as hidden in settings. If problems persist, capture a screenshot of your inventory and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.